Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategy, do your own personal research about it. You need to practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we have that we will be reviewing today, that we'll be analyzing today, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, and if you are not joining me live and direct, then you need to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a very small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trading indicator, and of course right from this support zone it started an uptrend, and we can see the way it is going up and up. There are pullbacks in between, but it is more of an uptrend than a downtrend. And right from here it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it is selling at the moment. So if it breaks out below the support zone around here, then it's going to sell more and may likely get to this particular region. Okay, and if it breaks out below this, it will get to this. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500, and of course let's check it out right away. Okay, this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see the sell signal, it gave us a red flag and it sold till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below it, and we can see it pulling back, but as you can see, it has not been able to break out above this resistance zone, so it is trying to pull back a bit. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time if it is unable to break out below this support zone, but if it breaks out below this, then may likely get to this region. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, but at the moment it is still selling at the moment. Okay, even though it might not be for a very long time. Okay, that is if it does not break out below the below the support zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, now let's check out our crash 1000. Let's check out crash 1000. This is crash 1000 and still on 5-minute time frame. Right from this resistance zone it started selling, and just the way we have seen this, okay, it kept on crashing down and crashing down. It has gotten to this resistance zone, but it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out below this support zone. That is when it will go back into a buy trend, but for now it is still selling. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and this had been an uptrend right from the support zone. You can see the yellow flag and the blue arrows signifies that the market is on uptrend and buying is the one that is winning at the moment. It broke out above this resistance zone around there, and it is still buying at the moment. It is around another resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is buying. Then the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is V75. This is actually picked up from this support zone and bought till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to go further, so it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag, it signifies the downtrend, so we got a red arrow around there, so it kept on selling and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are what we are able to come up with today, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos. Practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.